Hello friend, welcome to DNP Studio 9. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. This 40 accent wall design ideas include patterns to create an eclectic vibe, leafy prints for a bohemian elegance feel, pastels to brighten up the room, dark romantic colors to set the mood, or a more playful update that's stylish and creative. Are you ready to get inspired? Take a look at some of most awesome bedroom accent wall design ideas. The purpose of an accent wall is to draw attention to a part of the room that might otherwise be overlooked, or to give a room decorative flair that it might be lacking. Accent walls add a sense of excitement to your home's decor and can be used to tie together a color scheme in your home. In a bedroom, the wall behind your headboard is a good choice for an accent wall. If you have a unique sofa, dramatic artwork, or another bold piece in the room, accent the wall behind it. An accent wall is a wall that is a different color than the rest of the walls in the room. It's a great way to liven up a space and even make it appear larger than it actually is. An accent wall can be painted, wallpapered, or even a different texture like brick or wood. Whether you use wood slats, a colorful paint color, or a budget-friendly vinyl adhesive, there's an accent wall to fit your unique and personal space.